track, so it's a little slower. Well, that's disappointing. We'll go flip it over. What's going on, guys? We're starting off in the garage again here today because it's really cold outside, so we'll do the intro in here if we didn't just splice in some clips. Today we got a new toy. We've got a couple things we're going to be doing, filming this weekend, uploading over the course of a couple of weeks. You can probably guess what we're going to be comparing here, if you want a teaser. But anyway, today we're going to be focusing on this thing, which is a Losi Tenacity DB Pro. I finally just picked one of these things up because I thought they looked really cool, and I knew pretty much nothing about them, and this is the first time I've bought a Losi product, so we'll see how that goes. Things I like so far, I like how the body hinges. I like the clipless body system on all that stuff a hell of a lot better than body clips. But this does, this is a good way of doing body clips, I guess. I can live with this. And I like how everything's retained on this. I had to put some duct tape on the battery thing to make it fit the batteries I have since I don't have a 3-cell pack yet. But things I was not expecting, and never had one of these or anything remotely close to a race chassis before. Wasn't expecting sway bars front and rear. After getting used to the X-Max, E-Revo, and the Maxes, these little steel drive shafts are super cute and tiny in there. They're just the cutest thing ever. Used to those being huge. And haven't driven a car with a center differential before, so that's interesting to learn and feel the difference on. But enough talking, we'll go outside and play. I found a couple interesting lines and jumps we can hit with this thing. Definitely seems like it's more of a race car than a basher, because it's not doing flips and you don't get all the in-air control you would on something like one of those, obviously. And we're only running on 2S for now because I don't have a 3S pack that'll fit this. But we got a couple interesting lines we can go hit outside in the yard, and then we'll run around the track for a bit and see how she drives. And my experience of driving stuff on the track in my yard consists of the UDRs and slashes. So far this thing's been handling like it's on rails. We'll go drive it though, and we'll get some video of doing some stuff outside with it for you. See how she drives, and then we'll maybe in another video we'll sync this up to the slash and compare everything together. Anyway, here we go. A lot more snow on the track than there was last night. Sorry for the silence, I was in laser focus mode trying to get good laps because I've got the AC completely turned off on this, and with the center differential this does drive a lot different than the slashes. With the slash I can like swing it into the corner and hang the rear end way out, drifting everything. With this it's more of, it tends to seem completely on rails, or we get quite a bit of understeer in the corners. It does jump very fast. I'll see this. I'm giving this an advantage, or I'll be giving the slashes a slight advantage, and then I'm driving this first because when I came out to practice last night, this was driving like it's completely on rails and way faster than I've ever been with the slash. Right now there's some fresh powder on the track, so it's a little slower. Well, that's disappointing. We'll go for it. keep running some laps here. Definitely not a basher by any means, more of a track experience driving it, but it's a really fun thing to drive on the track here. Excited for summer now when the snow goes away. Squirrely. Future video will just be this overlaid with the Slash, and we'll see how they compare running them. But so far, I'm really liking this thing. It's definitely not going to be backflips or anything crazy. You're going to be hitting jumps and just jumping kind of straight and flat. But it seems to handle the track extremely well. It jumps flat. It doesn't shout horrible when it hits the ground. Super happy with it. I picked this up used for $250, and the guy gave me a mountain of spare parts with it. So, kidding. So for $250 I got this, and with the amount of parts that are laying around, it's not going to have an easy ride. It's going to get beaten as long as I have a pile of parts to rebuild it. Okay, so we have a couple other jump lines we're going to try and hit. Jump down there. That, and there we go, we're bringing it back now. Give her a speed run on 2-cell down the driveway. Coming back. Try and run the snow line again for the jump. These tires do seem to work pretty damn well on the snow here. That one jump just feeds so well into my little snowbank we carved out over there. Not going to be doing flips with these things, but they are a lot of fun to watch bounce around on the ground and do jumps with. I'm having fun with this. Buzz around here for a little bit. Oh, we almost got stuck, but we didn't. I don't think the center dip. Oh! We're good. Still moving. We're good. It does seem to take meetings like that pretty well. I was kind of worried about when we landed at Spirit of the Room when that just happened, but it seems like it's holding up pretty well. And for a 2S car, because again we're just running on a 2S Traxxas pack right now. I have a 3-cell. On a 2-cell car, this thing definitely gets going pretty good and is really, really fast for 2-cell. over the ground like this where it's kind of rough and uneven, this does actually work really well, and it's fun to watch it go. I'm enjoying this. For 250 bucks, I think I'm extremely happy with this purchase, and hopefully it'll be a nice addition to it's like sand dunes all in my yard. But yeah, we're getting cold. We're gonna go inside. I think we just got low voltage cut off on the battery too with that, which is good timing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video with the DB Pro. More to come in the future. So far I'm having a lot of fun with it. Definitely not a basher, but for 250 bucks, I'm extremely happy to pick this up. For 500, we'll wait and see. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Let me know. I'll see you in the next one.